Hello, in this lesson we will learn about priorities and junctions. So that line you can see on the left, it's the giveaway line. That line would tell me that the priority is not mine if I'm coming to cross over it. Or in other words, if I'm coming from the side road, I would give priority for the cars coming from the main road. But like in the video here, if I'm coming from the main road and want to turn left, I would do mirror signal left, then I can just turn into the road because I have the priority. Okay, so that entering to the left, I am like coming from the main road to the side road. And here it's the same situation, but the difference here, I'm turning right. So when turning right from main road to side road, I would give priority for incoming traffic from the opposite side. Like here, there is no cars coming from the front, so I can just turn inside. In other words, we are not giving priority to the side road. Okay? Here is the same example. I'm turning right, I give mirrors, signal right, then I took position to the right. Now because there's incoming traffic from the other side of the road, I will just wait, and after that cars clear the road, I would turn. And it's really important to go into the road from the left side. But from this let's say side of the road, I'm coming out from the side road to the main road. In other words, I have the giveaway line in front of me. So in this situation, I would give priority for the cars coming from the right and the left from the main road. So now I'm turning left after mirror signal. Now you can see I'm approaching the giveaway line. Here I'll check the right. If there's no cars, I can just continue. So it's okay to continue if there's no cars coming from the right. There's no need to stop if you can see that the road is clear because it's a giveaway. But if the junction is a stop, like here, so it's a stop, see the line on the ground as well, it's a solid line. So here I need to stop even if the road is clear. I would make a complete stop, then I would move again after making sure the road is clear. So it's not the same as the giveaway. The giveaway I can just keep going if there's no cars. So like here, I'm turning right. After mirror signals, I'll take position to the right of the giveaway line, which is the double broken line. And if there's no cars on the left and the right, I can just continue and turn. At crossroads like here, I have giveaway in my front and there's car coming from the other side. So because that car turning right, I would take the road and go ahead. So in other words, because I'm going straight ahead, I can go first. Alright, so normally if I have giveaway and the opposite side has a giveaway as well, so we can follow this rule. Who would go first? The left and straight ahead. And if you're turning right, you will wait. Okay, so left and straight would go first, and if you're turning right, you will wait. So for example here, we will have a car that would be coming straight ahead from the front, and we will be going right. So in that situation, I need to wait for that car as I'm turning right. In other words, that car is closer to the left lane, so they should take it. Okay, so now let's see. I'm approaching the road with signal right, so I'm turning right. That red car has no signal, so they going straight ahead. So normally they would move first. So after that, I would move after the road is clear, and sure after checking the left and right. And that's the video for today. See you later.